No! Stick makes you great.
By the way, officially, his full name is Bingus Ang Wubz. And I think he's gonna start chewing on my zipper because he does that sometimes. I love you, Mr. Wubz. Do you love me too? Look at your wrinkly head. I love him so much. Ah. There you go, good job. Eat him. Kitty's got quite a prey drive. He's a killer. Look, now we're both doing some self-care. I just gave you a good wipe down bath yesterday. Your chest and your tummy are so dirty again already. Kind of can. Clean your toes? Gotta have clean toes. Oh, I'm gonna show you my necklace. Babies. Babies. Oh, nice. Look at that nice and sweet. Do you love kisses? You like kisses? Breaking down, saying you'll come back and hold me now. Wish I never let you hurt me. Did you like it? So try me once, then me back again. Try me once, now you bend my back again. I'm breaking down, saying you'll come back and hold me now. Wish I never met you. Hurt me, did you like it? Look at your little beans. Look at the coolest little beans. Cleaning your beans? You need some clean beans? Need some clean beans? It's important. Wish I never met you. Hurt me, did you like it? He's purring. He's purring. You like some Mitis, don't you? Yes. You like some Mitis. You don't gotta mess with that one, silly. Just move this one. There you go. Good job.
You must have that other one. Why'd you give up? You want that? There you go. Good job.